We've already seen digital currencies before, only in games. Think of Bitcoin as a currency in Second Life or World of Warcraft. These are massive online games that have their own virtual economies. You can either earn currency in the game, or you can exchange dollars for it, much like Bitcoins. So the concept of Bitcoin isn't new, but now there's big economic consequences that affect you in real life. Right now, Bitcoin as a currency is a risky proposition. Its value changes rapidly on a daily basis, and what buys you steak and lobster today might only get you a hamburger tomorrow. So it's too risky for most people to live off of, but it's important for the future. It's a first experiment with the limits and possibilities of virtual currency on a global scale. And what about investing in it? 10,000 Bitcoins were famously used to order a pizza in 2009. It's worth well over $4 million now. That sounds like a good investment. The appreciation of Bitcoins has been phenomenal, and those who invested have been rewarded for the risk they took. But investing in Bitcoin is risky for two big reasons. First, Bitcoin is highly volatile. That means there's as high a likelihood of losses as gains. If the thought of losing nearly half your investments in 2008 can turn your stomach, this isn't an investment for you. Second, the systems used to buy and sell Bitcoin are not consistent and secure enough yet to ensure you access to your Bitcoins and guarantee your privacy. So far, exchanges have been shut down, hacked, and banned by federal governments, so you're exposing yourself to more than just a risky investment. There's no crystal ball to tell us where the price of a Bitcoin will go. It could shoot to the moon, or it could suffer the fate of Beanie Baby and Pokemon card investments. It's not a prudent currency or investment right now, but it is very important, and to understand why, look to the biggest names investing in the digital currency. The founder of PayPal and some prominent venture capital firms are backing Bitcoin, but not for the reasons you would imagine. Whether Bitcoin succeeds or fails is irrelevant to most of these big-time investors. What is important is the idea. Bitcoin is one step removed from a video game, but it won't stay that way forever. Right now, payments are dominated by big companies like Visa and MasterCard, who charge hefty fees that are passed along to consumers. The biggest investors in Bitcoins are really investing in the possibility of a new way to process payments, reinventing the system to cut out the middleman, lower fees for consumers, and ultimately bypass those governments that seek to control where and how their citizens spend money. Most of us won't ever use or invest in Bitcoin, but we will profit from it regardless.